Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax Rogers. Today we're going to take a look at a trade-in that just came in. This is a 2019 Sea Ray SDX 250. We have the Horizon hull color on the outside with the white hull bottom. Walking down the side of the boat here, you can see we do have the sports tower and the bimini top up there as well. And then making our way to the swim platform, we have our nice sea deck, our swim step that does go down into the water, and this is a 300 Mercruiser Bravo 3. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, so welcome inside. Starting here on the swim platform, you can see we have a nice entryway inside the boat to the starboard side. What I really like about the SDX line is the convertible seats right here. Both co-captain, captain, and our lounger back here do fold back. This can be a great sun pad and place to relax when you're anchored and hanging out. We have nice L-shaped seating right here. Cup holders underneath. This boat does have a table that you can put right here. It's great for entertainment. Again, up here at the tower, this is your sports tower, and then we do have our bimini top that opens up, so you have really nice sun protection when you're out in the water. We have our in-floor storage right here, and then at the helm itself, tilt steering wheel. We do have a Simrad display screen, so we chart plotting, navigation, engine diagnostics. This will be very accessible here at the helm. And then on the SDX 250, our head's going to be right here in the console. It's going to be right underneath the cushions. You can pop that up or have that as a great storage spot. And then we have our port entry up to the bow. Lots of seating on here on either side. This is a great setup. Again, this is a 2019 Sea Ray SDX 250. It's here at our store in Rogers. Give us a call or stop on by. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.